Hi guys! Thanksgiving and Christmas are coming really soon, and I have prepared some great recipes for you that you can make for both of these holidays. Today I want to share a delicious side dish that I think is underrated. If you feel like you don't like eating Brussels sprouts, then you should definitely try this one out because the bacon and the cranberries make the dish really yummy. You want to start by prepping the Brussels sprouts. So you just want to remove the bad leaves, so any leaves that are not looking good, you want to remove those and then cut off the ends. Then you want to rinse them and add them into a medium pot with a little bit of salt and pour over enough water to cover the Brussels sprouts. Then you want to cover with a lid and bring to boil. Once boiling, you want to cover, reduce the heat and simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes or until the Brussels sprouts have cooked through. You can test whether they've cooked through by piercing a knife through, and if it pierces through quite easily, then they are ready. You want to remove them from heat, drain the water and pour some cold water over and halve them. In the meantime, we will prep the bacon. So I have here some fresh rosemary and I'm adding the bacon to it. Then you want to fry everything on medium heat so that the bacon starts to release fat and also it starts to brown and the bacon fat gets a beautiful flavor from the rosemary. And once the bacon is looking beautifully brown, you can add in the cranberries. And what I did to the cranberries before adding them in, I soaked them in some hot water for about 10 minutes and then I strained the water and added in the cranberries. You want to mix the cranberries in just for about a minute or so, and then you can add in the halved Brussels sprouts. Then you want to season with some black pepper. Also at this point you could season with some salt. I don't know why I decided not to season with the salt at this point but at a later point. But what you can do is season both with salt and pepper at the same time. Then give it a short mix and fry until the Brussels sprouts have a beautiful caramel-like color. So here you can see already they are getting some really beautiful color. For that you also want to keep them moving, so allow them to fry for a little, then give them a mix and make sure that you have that beautiful color all over your dish. Then once you're happy with the color, that most of the Brussels sprouts are beautiful and caramelized, then you can add a little bit of butter for some extra flavor. You just want to melt the butter in and that's it. You can serve the Brussels sprouts. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and I really hope you will be trying it out during the holidays. If you have any suggestions for me what else I should make for the holiday season, so are you looking for more side dish recipes, or is it salad recipes, or is it some healthy options or desserts? Let me know so I will know what to concentrate on and what kind of recipes to bring your way. And so that you don't miss those recipes, you know what to do. Subscribe over here and tap the bell so you don't miss any coming videos. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye until next time.